Hi, okay, this is Lexus LX470 1998. The first symptom that we discovered when we got the car was starting and dying like in 10-15 seconds. So the first thing we discovered, it's on the left kick panel inside of the car. There is a fuse box. There is two fuse boxes, this one and one on the kick panel right here. So that's a second fuse box, and we traced the diagram, and this fuse box has the IGN fuse for 10 amperes. I don't know, it's I guess IGN, it's ignition. When we pulled this fuse, the fuse it's burned. So we replaced the fuse, and the car started to somewhat work. It was also dying, but not after such a short interval as 10 seconds. So I don't want to remove the engine cover. So we replaced the throttle body. Throttle body consists three significant parts. One sensor one, and the cable, acceleration cable, is attached here. Then there is a throttle body motor. I believe that's the main part that that was malfunctioning. It's just an electrical motor, but if it burned or wiring is damaged, many Japanese cars have the analog of this motor, and there is one more sensor behind the motor. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a part changer, okay? So I just replaced the whole thing, throttle body, and most of the shops will do the same. And after that, the engine started to work normally. So it's just the steps that you want to take if your car has the same symptoms, starting and dying, and you can go from there. I hope it helps.